Yes. Hi guys! Mag-harvest tayo ng potatoes. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan ang laman. Yes.
There's the smaller ones, but they're still good.
Yeah.
There's a big one there.
May mga maliliit pa. Oh wow, it's so big guys. Oh wow, that's nice. No more, my love. Yeah, there. No more. No more.
Oh wow, that was it.
Yan, isang puno. Ito ay red on potato. Oh my. Yan yung laman na guys ng red potatoes. Yes. Ang dami. Ang dami guys. Ang daming laman. Yes. There's a big one.
You see that root that you're messing with right there? That's a potato root. That's what they grow on. Right there. Yeah.
Meron pa. Wow. No more?
Right there on that root right there maybe.
Wait, my love. Okay, try, my love. Maliliit guys. Ito.
Wow,
Ang dami din.
like grapes.
Yeah. Ang daming laman. Yes. Ang daming laman guys.
Killed that one.
Yes.
Wow,
Mini. Okay, may lab. May malaki guys. Silalim. Yes. Malaki. Small only. Yeah, many. Look.
Hey, what's the matter with this one?
Yes. Wow. Ang dami din guys. Ang dami. Yan ang dami. There's a big. Oh wow. Yan. Ang dami. Yes. Ito naman guys, so ang daming laman. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Many. Huh? Sus. Grabe. Ang dami. Ang daming laman guys.
What about this one?
Okay. You can remove also.
Okay.
Ang daming
There's
laman.
there's the one that was the seed potato.
Yay!
See what it turns out to be.
Ang dami guys. Yan. Yes. 1, 2. Yan.
That one's got a bunch.
Yan na guys ang laman. Yes. Ang dami.
See, is that the starter potato right here? Is it rotted?
Yeah. No.
Yep, that's the starter potato.
Okay. Yan na guys. Yan ang laman. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow. You better go get the bucket.
Yes.
Nice. Nice.
Wow. Ang dami guys. See? Many. Good morning guys. Nandito naman tayo sa aming garden at mag-harvest naman tayo ng cucumber. Lemon cucumber guys. Ito malaki. Marami pa rin bunga. Ito pa. May maliit. Guys. Marami pa rin bunga ang cucumber. Ayan. Big cucumber.
What you just picked up?
Lemon cucumber.
All right.
Come on, here. Please help me.
That went through the
Ito pa guys. Oh. Yes. Where is that? Ang dami pa rin bunga. Yan. Katago guys. Ang laki. Lemon cucumber. Yun guys. Nakatago.
Wow,
Many, still many. Guys, oh, nagtatago. Yeah.
You go take a lot to the church.
Yes. Nagtatago. Ang dami pa din. Cherry tomatoes guys. Ang dami. Yan. Yan pa. Ang dami guys oh. Yan. Nandito pa sa baba. Oh. Yan yung cherry tomatoes. Yan. Ang dami. Ayan. Ang daming bunga. Oh my. Hi guys, mag-harvest naman tayo ng tomatoes. Ayan na to.
Alright, love you too.
Ayan.
See you in a
Ang
little
dami.
while.
Ang dami. Ang dami na naman. Daming tomatoes.
That's nice.
Yan. Maraming nubok naman guys. Ito sa loob. Ayan. Ayan.
Oh, don't feed. Oh, hey. Hey.
You're
What'd
so
you hit me for?
makulit.
What'd you hit me for?
You're so makulit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too. Ayan, marami naman guys. Marami. Yan naman. Ayan. Marami. Nakatago sa loob. Andun. Yan. Marami. Nakatago. Yun. Hindi ko maabot.
Getting the tomatoes outside of the fence as well.
Andito na tayo guys sa labas. Manguha ng tomatoes. Ang dami.
Too bad we wouldn't have seen this one here sooner.
Per tomatoes. Ayan. Sa loob ng fence. Ayan. Yan guys, oh. Ang dami. Ah,
Oh, Howie.
there, meron pa. Meron pa dun. Yan. Marami. Yan, sa ilalim guys. Ang dami. Ang dami pa din. Madami pa rin guys dito sa labas, oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Ang dami pa din, oh. Dami pa rin. Hinog. Yan. Nasa labas na kami. Ang dami pa rin. Pero tingnan nyo. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pamulaklak ng tomatoes. Nasa labas na sila. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy pa din ang pamulaklak. May. Ang dami pa din.
Bring me your little fingers.
Where?
Right down there on the ground.
Okay.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh my.
Right there and right there. Oh.
Ang dami.
Oh wow, there's a bunch of them still inside the fence.
Ang dami pa rin. Guys. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi maubos-ubos ka-harvest. Mahigit 1 oras na kami dito guys. Tomatoes pa rin ang aming harvest. Ayan. Oh my.